Hello dear students, this is your teacher Devang. In the last video, I shared with you the latest update from NCERT for the revision of class 9 syllabus, the curriculum of class 9. In the last video, I shared with you the changes that were made by NCERT in mathematics and the content of science. Today in this video, we will be discussing about very detail about the social science and English. What are the changes that are made to social science and English? Because these are the four subjects, math, science, social and English, which are going to affect the students who are going to appear in class 9 starting session 2026-27. It means this session. So first we will discuss about the social sciences. In social science, chapters reduced from 20 to 16. You had 4 books. Out of those 4 books, in total of 20 chapters were there, out of which now 16 chapters are there in your content. But there are some changes which are very significant. For example, history will be focusing upon the time period of up to 1200 CE, that is 1200 Common Era. And in this, Harappan culture and Bhakti and Sufi traditions, which you studied in class 7. Bhakti tradition, which is in class 7, and Harappan civilization, which is studied in class 6, and will also study in class 12, is now included in class 9 as well. Moving ahead to geography portion. Geography portion will include plate tectonics, interior of Earth, ocean reliefs and biome distribution. So this ocean reliefs, biome distribution and tectonic plates, these are the topics which are the topics of grade 11 geography, which are now included in class 9. Moving ahead to political science. In political science we have justice, authority and elections. These are the topics, these are the broad topics which are now included in the subject of political science. And in the last, economics, also the NCERT has changed the content from the theory to the practical learning. In economics, we were till date we were studying all the theory and we were just rote learning the theory of economics. But now the NCERT has changed the content and now the syllabus will be updated. The more practical emphasis will be given to economics as well. So in economics will include the financial literacy, topics such as investing options, budgeting and income tax, budgeting, investing options. These are the practical topics which we are going to NCERT is going to introduce in class 9. Okay. Moving ahead to the English changes, the key changes in English subject, beehive and movements. You had 2 books. One was beehive and one was movement. So one was your literature book and another one was the supplementary reader. So now these both books will be replaced by the book Kaveri. Kaveri is the name of your new English book. Moving ahead, updated literature sections. The chapters will be updated. The selections of the chapters is updated. Literature has changed, and this particular book will focus more on analytical, persuasive writing. Analytical and persuasive writing will be emphasized in this particular book. Emphasis on research and creative writing is also increased. So now students will not have to rote learn, they will have to think critically, they will have to do the research and they will have to think out of the box and make up their own content now. So grammar largely unchanged. So most of the grammar portions are not changed because grammar of any subject is something that is that cannot be changed easily. So grammar is not changed, but the literature portion has drastically changed in English now. Lastly, let's see how Hindi have been changed. So in Hindi, rationalized syllabus is there. Some chapters removed or reorganized. Greater focus on comprehension and writing skills and emphasis on grammar and practical uses has increased in your Hindi. So in Hindi there are not much greater changes. There are few changes in the literature portion to give more emphasis on critical and analytical thinking. So at last, additional focus areas, art education structured formally, vocational education is introduced, physical education and well-being is emphasized, and project-based competency-based learning is promoted. We have the CBSE has already mandated 50% competency-based questions in the board exams as well, and now the curriculum is also the same. Earlier we had difficulty in finding the questions of competency basis and then doing the solutions of them, but now the NCERT has solved our problem. It has already revise the content to give us more comprehensive, more competency based content so that we could be prepared since the beginning for our competency based examinations. Now, when it is going to be implemented, it is going to be implemented from starting session 2026-27 based on NCF, that is National Curriculum Framework. So, no bridge course will be required for class 9. So now that is a very important update. No bridge course will be required for class 9. Lastly, I would like to say, don't be panicked that the syllabus has changed, because everything you would have studied in class 9 would have been new to you. So just stick to the best teachers, stick to the best content, stick to the NCRT only. Stick to the NCRT and take it very easy. Don't think that the topics of class 11 or 10 have been introduced, or class 12 have been introduced. It will be rationalized. It will be rationalized for you, and just believe me, it is going to be a very good, very rationalized and rich content for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.